Gonna go to iDoodle and gonna print some labels. I'm a label maker now. So let me have a look at the one that we did.
Put the stickers.
New label, I see.
Yeah.
New label. Device not connected. Go connect the device first.
I know.
Switch the device on from the side. Press it down. Is it on now?
Yeah. Button.
There we go. Device connected. Now, what do you want to do? You want to make it yourself?
Hold it, yeah.
Alright, I'll hold it for you.
I'm going to see this.
No, this isn't it.
Okay. This is the. I'm just looking around for thingies. Yeah, you can always do this. Ooh, these are cool. Bunny. Is that Bunny? Daddy, how do you take away that?
You press delete here. There's a delete button.
Daddy.
There's a delete. You press the delete button. You press this button here, and get rid of all the
weird thing.
Press delete button.
I press it.
That's over there.
I didn't see row delete. What is that anyways? It's a bunny. Okay, that's my bunny. What would the sticker have? Oh, maybe. Food, yummy. Water. Daddy, what's this?
I don't know, baby.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay, yeah, I wanna fix this. Yeah, there we go. I'm so tired.
And there's some more over here. There's some more categories up there.
Oh, go down one. Tap more. What's more? Okay. Ooh, this one's good. I like it.
The sunset one's nice. I like that one.
I like that one too.
Is it in black and white?
Yeah.
So it's black and white. We'll go into colour.
Yeah, we're good together. We'll put it there for now. Oh, out look nice. That look nice. There's a coding. I want to delete this. It's too big. Okay. Go back into icon. Let's look at some new ones. Ooh, this
It'd be
one.
nice if they were colour.
Yeah.
These are flowers. Or are they? Are they flowers? Plants?
Yeah.
Oh, mashallah.
Like the tree. Yay. I'm gonna put 2 trees there. Let's look if there's anything else I want to add. This will look nice on my sticker. What was this? Over there. Oh, yeah. I think. So the stem plants with the trees. Oh, that's a cool tree. Okay, now I want to go back on this one. I like this love heart. It's cute. I like cute stuff. That love heart. Some of this stuff wasn't here last time. I don't want makeup anymore. I like these ones too. But I want to spend mine wisely. Yeah, the phone one. I want the phone. Done.
I'm done. Now you open it. Let me hold it up. How many copies?
I'm going to make it 5, 6, 7.
Alright.
Confirm print.
It's nice. She didn't come too well.
Yeah, they didn't come out too well. Shots.
There you go, Becca.
Let me check if the trees came out nice.
Let me see if I can scan. Let me look at your sticker. Yeah, this is a label maker. We got it from Smart Label Maker. Smart Label Maker. Mashallah.
I'm having really fun with it.
Aisha loves it. Aisha loves it. Keep it for Blessed Laylatul Qadr, inshallah. From 200
I'm
century.
keeping it for big school.
Inshallah, you want to buy it.